Hello everybody, my name is Erica and I'm here today with attorney Sean Mughal, and we're going to be talking on one immigration topic related to mass deportation programs. So the first question that I have for you is, what is ICE?
ICE is an agency within the Department of Homeland Security, Immigration, Customs, and Enforcement. Anybody that is being picked up for deportation, it is through ICE. Another agency that's similar at the airport is called Custom and Border Protection. But what you see on the news right now, people being grabbed, they're being grabbed by ICE.
By ICE, okay. Do you believe that Trump has the power to allow non-federal officers to act as federal immigration officers?
No, but that doesn't mean that that is not happening. Non-immigration or local officers, that could be police officers, could be helping locate people, and then ICE may be coming in to arrest them, but they can't be acting like ICE and claim that they are federal officers. But that doesn't mean that they can't help them by arresting people, holding them longer, and waiting for ICE to come.
Understood. Does ICE have the power to enter sensitive locations like churches and schools?
So previously, ICE would not enter these type of locations, not because there was some type of law preventing them, but out of sensitivity. But now they've got the green light.
Okay.
Forget about any sensitivities. Go wherever you can and grab people.
What will happen to the people who came to the U.S. on Biden's previous program of keeping families together?
So there's a few different programs Biden had brought in. One was allowing people to parole in place, meaning people who've entered illegally, but will let them stay here so they can work while their case is pending, or keeping families together and those sort of things. But I think the keeping the families program together was already struck down. Now, parole and TPS, temporary protective status, Trump is already limiting those or in the process of removing those. And those people who thought they may have been protected from deportation, they may be the next target.
How far do you think Trump will go to punish sanctuary cities?
We know previously that sanctuary cities are cities that don't cooperate with ICE. They don't help them and keep people after some type of interaction with the city for ICE to come in. Now, previously he had threatened that he would take away funding, and I think he's already doing that. But he could punish them further by taking away other type of fundings for those cities, some type of other federal programs. So I think he'll do whatever he can to punish these cities.
Do you believe that the promised mass deportation threats will reach their promised scale?
I don't think so. Not because he or ICE doesn't want to do that. It's because you just don't have the resources, the money, the people. Millions of people being threatened to be deported. Where are you going to keep them? How are you going to find all of these people? So I think he's only going after the easy picking ones. The ones that he can are already on the radar, maybe have a criminal case pending, and then they're being grabbed. Or some people who have been reporting to ICE because of their condition of release, they may be grabbed and deported. But I don't think there's enough resources to be able to grab everybody that he's talking about.
Okay. Thank you so much. That's all the questions we have.
Sure, you're welcome. Thank you.